a brave, inspirational musician.
The legend, selfless, and inspirational.
Something about Hachalu spoke to the youth here. He was the cornerstone of being proud to be Oromo.
We think of Hachalu, the son of the nation. Whether you're from the east or south or north, he saw it as one people.
You don't have to claim anything else to be accepted.
It's part of an Oromo knowledge tradition that he discovered when he was in prison.
And he came out being this storyteller, this oracle, able to awaken a sense of pride in all of us.
He served as a portal for his generation to access that knowledge.
Every time there is a member of the Oromo community who inspires a sense of hope and a sense of dignity, they're murdered.